Good day, everyone. I'm Charles Dave, and today I'll explain to you how my robot work, the SumoBot and HakiBot. My SumoBot built for a robot sumo competition. It runs in autonomous mode, meaning it can move and make decisions on its own. And it searches the area using ultrasonic sensors. These sensors detects object around the robot. If there's no obstacle, the robot moves slowly or spin in place to find its opponent. But once it detects an object, like another robot, it boosts forward at full speed to push it out of the ring. This boost helps the sumo bot gain momentum and dominate the match. After the boost, if the opponent is gone, the bot starts searching again and the cycle repeats. It's fast, responsive, and aggressive, all controlled by logic and sensors, with no remote control needed. Now, Mayakibot is much simpler. It's fully controlled by remote. It uses two DC motors for movement and striker in front to hit a puck, just like playing air hockey. Using Bluetooth controller or mobile app, I can move the boat left, right, forward, and backward. The goal is to hit the puck and try to score or defend my side of the field. It doesn't use any sensors. Everything is manually controlled, which makes it fun and interactive just like a real player. That's how that's how my SumoBot and HakiBot work. One smart, one simple. Thank you for listening.